Okay.
Hey there. Here is your short little tutorial on price comparison for your supplies and your supports. So by supports, I mean things like bubble straws, cake boards, boxes, things like that. So this is what it looks like down here, the tab, and this all came automatically. You didn't have to type any of that in when you filled everything in your costing master. So this is mine. And I put that all in there, and then once I had that in, or as I kept putting it in, it would magically appear over here on the price comparison for your supports. So let's see if this can help you find out if you're getting the best prices. So for example, I normally get my cake boards, which are 10 inches, at Amazon, and at this point in time, I am getting them for 67 cents a piece, and this is all kind of a peachy color because it's telling you that that's the best price based on all of this that you're getting it at, because these are all empty. But as you start to fill it in, the peach one will be highlighted to tell you that's the place where you can get it at the cheapest price. So today I was at Shamrock and I saw cake boards for the 10-inch cake board round. So I said, okay, pulled up my little Ninja on my phone and realized, wow, that looks like a better price to me. So let's go ahead and price compare. So what I did was I'm going to go up here to my little calculator. I got them for $17.79, and I got 100 of them. So that tells me here that this is 17 cents a piece, a little bit over 17 cents a piece. So I'm going to take this number here and I'm going to put it under Shamrock for that specific item. It is 7.17790. Just type it right in there. And you will notice that this one then turns peachy because that is cheaper than what I'm getting it at now from Amazon. So I did the same thing for my cupcake wrappers. I was getting them at Amazon, cupcake liners, and I was getting them for this price. And I found them at Shamrock today. So I got 100 of them for $4.49. Okay, so let's put $4.49 in there. $4.49, and I got 100, so I'm just going to leave that 100 in there. That tells me that they were 044900. So take this number here and just plug it right in here, okay? So now that's going to tell you, again, Shamrock was a better price for me than Amazon. So as I go along, as you can see, I haven't filled this in very much because I've been kind of busy, but as I go along, I'm going to start filling in all these places so that I know that if Shamrock is the place where I can get most things, because most of the peachy colors are under the Shamrock column, then that's really important for me to know. If I have to get some at Amazon and some at Smith's, then this will also tell me that. So anyway, I hope this helps you tighten up where you're getting all your best prices on your supports. Thank you. Bye.